Greetings, people of the internet. This is going to be a short video to introduce myself as well as my idea for a game that I'm planning on making / logging here on YouTube. So stay tuned for the news. My name is Stumpy, and I have recently graduated with a degree in programming and game design. Over the course of my college career, I learned the ins and outs of the game development software known as Unity. However, despite the fact that I have created a myriad of unrefined prototypes, I have never completed and polished a game from start to finish. Considering that, I have decided to dive into making smaller mini-games to put myself in the mindset of finishing a polished product. Becoming a game developer has been a passion of mine for as long as I could remember, as I've been playing video games since I was 4 years old. With that being said, I want to discuss my idea for my very first video game, which is going to be a space shoot-'em-up in the same vein as Space Invaders and Galaxian. I have decided to call the project Insectoid Infestation, and it will include an endless game mode in which the player will progressively interact with the story of the game, as well as collect the countless amounts of unlockable content. The player will have the ability to shoot and destroy alien ships and asteroids to collect points to unlock that content. I enjoy the idea of making this game as arcadey as possible with vibrant lighting and impactful interactions with a variation of enemy types. I am planning on adding a ton of different attack types and upgrades to excite the sense of progression. The player will be thrown into the fray of battle as a member of the Predator Division, a group of government mercenaries meant to protect the Earth from extraterrestrial threats. There will be a total of 3 ships for the player to collect and customize, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. I would love to implement a color picker option for each of the ships to allow the player to personalize their ship to their heart's content. I have decided to use an asset pack for my first game as I really just want to focus on finishing a game from start to finish. The asset pack that I have chosen for the project is the Shoot 'em Up pack created by a user named Impulse101 on itch.io. You should definitely check it out. There will be a link in the description below. I plan on changing up the palette, and if the game ends up feeling too empty, I will create assets to go along with the asset pack, as I am already going to create art for power-ups not found within this pack. More elements of the game will be discussed in future videos, so I hope you're excited to see my journey through creating my very first video game. Go ahead and click the subscribe button alongside the notification bell so you can stay updated on my progress. And also, check out my Instagram and Twitter for life updates and pictures of my bunny. Everything will be linked in the description below. You can also check out my newly created Discord server, Stumpy's Spaceship, to chat with me directly or with other interesting people. Discord is the platform that I am active on the most, and I will be using it for suggestions towards my games and YouTube content. I am planning to release these devlogs every Friday to recap what all has been finished with the game thus far, and to assist me in staying motivated to finish the projects that I start. You can also find me streaming over on Twitch every Monday and Wednesday from 6 to 8 Eastern Standard Time. I predominantly play Rocket League on my stream, but I am always open to game suggestions. Just so you know, I'm trash. Feel free to stop on by my streams and Discord server for a good laugh and a comical community. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.